This doorbell camera in Alaska captured a strange moment when a woman walked up to this house at 3 a.m. and asked to use the washroom. The homeowner wanted to help but was suspicious, so he decided to say this.
Can I help you?
Hey, I live down the road. I was going to ask if I could use your restroom.
Sorry, I got dogs in here. They're not very friendly.
Okay. Have a good night. Yeah, sorry it's so late.
But as she was walking back, the homeowner waited to see where she would go, and that's when he saw that she came in her pickup truck and then decided to drive away.
Are you serious?